Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Kraken's daily limit. Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy and sell a variety of cryptocurrencies. One of the things that people often ask about Kraken is their daily limit. So, how much is Kraken's daily limit? Well, the answer to that question is a bit complicated. It depends on a number of factors, including your account verification level, your trading history, and the currency you're trading. In this video, I'm going to go over the different Kraken account verification levels and how they affect your daily limit. I'll also discuss how your trading history can affect your daily limit. And finally, I'll talk about the different currency pairs that Kraken offers and how their daily limits vary. So, let's get started. What are the different Kraken account verification levels? There are 4 different Kraken account verification levels. Tier 1, this is the basic level of verification. You can only deposit and withdraw up to $1,000 per day. Tier 2, this level of verification requires you to provide additional information, such as a copy of your government-issued ID. You can deposit and withdraw up to $25,000 per day. Tier 3, this level of verification requires you to provide even more information, such as a proof of address. You can deposit and withdraw up to $100,000 per day. Tier 4, this level of verification is for institutional investors only. So, the higher your account verification level, the higher your daily limit. How does your trading history affect your daily limit? In addition to your account verification level, your trading history can also affect your daily limit. Kraken uses a risk-based system to determine your daily limit. This means that the more you trade, the higher your daily limit will be. However, it's important to note that Kraken may also lower your daily limit if they believe that you are engaging in risky or suspicious behavior. What are the different currency pairs that Kraken offers? Kraken offers a wide variety of currency pairs. Each currency pair has its own daily limit. For example, the daily limit for Bitcoin/USD is $100,000. The daily limit for Ethereum/USD is $50,000. And the daily limit for Litecoin/USD is $25,000. So, the daily limit for a currency pair will depend on the specific currencies involved. How can I increase my daily limit on Kraken? There are a few things you can do to increase your daily limit on Kraken. Verify your account to a higher level. Increase your trading volume. Contact Kraken customer support and request a higher daily limit. So, how much is Kraken's daily limit? The answer depends on a number of factors, including your account verification level, your trading history, and the currency you're trading. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and trade smart.